Hello everyone and welcome back. Why do I feel like I'm so close? Because I am. Oh, hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So we are vlogging this week. I am doing Oshina's Oshina's and Holly's Read in the New Year Readathon. So the prompts, I'll leave like a little picture, pop it up somewhere, and I'll leave their YouTube's link down below so you guys can check them out. So it's basically just a way to get reading in the new year. So there are 7 prompts. 1, lose weight, so a book under 250 pages, which I have. I'm stretching it, guys. This book called The Locked Door. It's like a suspense thriller by Frida McFadden, and it's $2.70. So it's all we getting. Okay. 2, eat healthy, where food is a major part of the story. So this is the Cream Puff Murder by Joanne Fluke. This is actually a book I started last year, but I just wasn't into it, so I kind of DNF'd it for like a while. So I'm gonna pick it back up. It's a murder mystery about, or it's a mystery about a woman who, there's a murder somewhere and her cream puffs, because she has a bakery, are found at the scene. The 3rd prompt is drink more water on the cover or in the title. So I'm stretching it. In the synopsis, it talks about, this is The Healer, the 5th in the O'Malley series by Dee Henderson, and in it says, it's just talking about the synopsis, and it says, but the flood waters conceal a deadly surprise. A crime scene is swallowed up by the waters. So I'm stretching it, but that's what we're doing. 4th, social media detox, a book set in the past. I don't have many books set in the past, so we're gonna stretch this one too. These books are set in the early 2000s. It's still the past because they're not present time, and you know, they all don't have cell phones. They're using beepers. So I'm claiming that. The 5th prompt is a new to you author, so make a new friend. So we're gonna go for this one, which really could have been any of the other books too, but this is Sally Hepworth, The Younger Wife. It's another like suspense thriller, something sketchy about the dad's new wife. Then 6 is Exercise More, a book in a series, which is this one. So this one's fulfilling 3 prompts. And then 7, Save Money, a book you didn't pay for, which would be The Locked Door, because this is on Prime Reading, so I don't have to pay for it. I guess technically I'm paying for Prime. Does that count? So those are, so these are the books that I'll be reading this week, and I will bring you guys along and let you guys know what I think of these books. Do I see myself finishing all of them? No. But at least 1 or 2, hopefully. I feel like every time I try and do a reading vlog and actually read and finish a book, never happens, but that is the goal. I will pop back in once I have an update on one of these books. Quick update on this book, The Locked Door. I feel like I'm not even that far into it, but I just can't get behind the writing, the way the main character thinks to herself, and like the way it's written in 1st person, and just the way that things are being described and like thought. It's just not well done, so I can't get into it to like read, which really sucks because I was really interested in this book because of just like the theme of the book, or what this book is about. It's about a girl who, when she was like 10, her dad got arrested for like murdering a bunch of women in the basement, and I guess he had been like killing people for like 2 decades, and now she's grown and someone else is found murdered, same MO as her father, and she gets blamed for it. So that was the synopsis of this book, and I can't get behind the writing. And it's not the dialogue between characters, it's literally the way she thinks. So this is her when she's like 10. She goes, Mom smiles at that. She smiles a lot. When she smiles, she has dimples, and it makes her double chin look bigger. When she and my dad got married, she was very skinny, almost bony. But she's not now. I like her better this way. Who wants to hug a bunch of bones? But my dad keeps telling her she should try to lose some weight. He says it a lot. I don't know. There's just something about the way that it's written of how she thinks, even like as an adult. Everything's very like cut and dry. It's like I shake my head and close the laptop with a snap. I grab my water and take a long drink. I wish I had another old fashioned, but the water will have to do. Like it's just very like, it's missing the details. Like most of the time I don't mind a book if it's very cut and dry, but like because even her thinking is like that, even from when she was 10 to now when she's like in her 30s, it's unnatural. I don't know if that's part of this. Maybe she's a murderer too. I don't know. She has some weird thoughts, but I just can't do it. So I'm going to pick up, I'm going to do the Sally Hepworth, the younger wife, and this one is about, it's got like 3 sections. So the husband, so he divorced his first wife. This is his second wife. There's 2 daughters. I guess they did some investigating into this new woman and they think that she's after his money, the former wife. The daughters are trying to figure out the family's secret and who their father really is. And then the younger wife, which is the new wife, has secrets of her own and says, well, getting to the truth unleash the most dangerous impulses in all of them. So I think this one might be the move next, because I was trying to read like a thriller suspense. So we'll try that, and if all else fails, we will go to D. Henderson. Hello everyone. It is day 5 of this reading vlog. I haven't vlogged every day because I've been doing a terrible job reading. I did try, I don't know why, to give this book another chance, and I just really, if anyone has read this book, The Locked Door by Frida McFadden, let me know what your thoughts are. I can't get over it. Even like this next, I was like, let me read. Maybe I just haven't gotten into it. I'm only 28 pages in. I don't know. There's just so much about it where I'm like, it's so stale. So we're giving up on that. We did start The Younger Wife by Sally Hepworth. And so far I'm liking it. My screen is dirty. I'm interested in what is happening, what is going on. So that's good. I am only like 2 or 3 pages in, all right, 2 or 3 chapters in. So, but it's already going much better. It switches points of view, and actually in the prologue, or however it started, it was actually a completely different person's point of view. So I'm interested. It's got me hooked. So that is a good sign considering we are 5 days in and we have not completed 1 book, but that is okay. No pressure here. So I will talk to you guys once I have more to say on books, and yeah. Hello everyone, welcome back. It is technically day 8. I didn't finish any of the books that I said I was going to, but I did end up finishing 1 book, which was The Bodyguard by Catherine Center, and I really enjoyed it. I am still reading The Younger Wife by Sally Hepworth. I do like it, but I just needed something quick and on the go. But yeah, I did not complete this readathon, the prompts, but it's okay. Well, technically this one fits a new to me author, so I guess I did. So yeah, but at least I'm in the reading mood. I really enjoyed this book, really enjoyed this author's writing, so I'm definitely going to read more books from her. I had a great time reading this, and yeah, I think that's all that I have for this video. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.